How to install the Stripe dashboard application on our Android device. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are about to provide you with a step-by-step guide that you can follow up and watch till the end to install that application on your device as well. So let's get started. For that, we can head over to Play Store and open it up. And once we open it up, we can go over and go to the search and look out for Stripe dashboard in our search bar. So go ahead and basically type in Stripe and type in dashboard and look out for the Stripe dashboard application, this one right here. Once you find it up, you can tap on it and that should open up the space. This is it from the official publisher as well. You can check it out and basically tap on this option called install. Once you tap on install, you just need to wait for the application to be installed. You can just go over and wait for some few minutes for that. And once the application is downloaded, you can log in into your account and look out for all of your application features that you may be looking for. So that is it, everybody. It's pretty simple. If you want to download the Stripe dashboard application on your Android device, you just need to do it from your official app store. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.